In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Notion account. So for this, just open up your Notion app or just go to notion.com. After that, just go to any of your workspace after logging into your account. And then you'll find this hamburger menu at the top left. Just click on it. This will expand the left-hand menu. From here, you'll find your name. Just click on your profile picture. From here, you're going to find a settings button. Just click on settings. From here, make sure to click on your name under accounts again. This is gonna get you to the profile settings. And after you're here, just scroll down a bit and you want to go under support. And under support, you'll find an option called delete my account over here. It says permanently delete your account. You'll no longer be able to access your pages or any of your workspace you belong to. So if you're sure that you want to delete your Notion account, just click on delete my account. And after that, it's going to tell you to type in your email just to confirm it. You can just go ahead and type in your email that you have used to create the account. And then just click on permanently delete account and workspace. This is going to delete all of your workspace. I currently have only one workspace, so it's showing one workspace. But if you have multiple, it's going to delete all of them. So be sure you're ready to delete it. Then just click on permanently delete account. Then it's going to delete the account for you. Also, read this. This is a warning. This action cannot be undone. Your entire account will be permanently deleted and you will be removed from all shared workspace. Additionally, the following workspace you own will permanently be deleted, removing any other member and their access as well. So if you're sure about all this, just click on permanently delete and it's going to delete your workspace. Currently, I'm not going to do it. And basically, that is it. And that is how to delete your Notion account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.